Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namah Namo Mahavarannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratishe Namah. A divine prophecy, Sri Namalva's predictions on Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Sri Namalva, who appeared in the very beginning of Kali Yuga, approximately 5,000 years ago, is the incarnation of Sri Vishvaksena, the commander-in-chief of the army of the demigods, who are devotees of the Supreme Lord. In his prophetic poetry, he predicted the golden avatari, meaning the source of all avatars, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and also described the golden avatar's Sankirtan movement, the movement of chanting the holy names, that would utterly destroy the present satanic world-ruling system. The following translations are from a divine prophecy, Sri Namalva's predictions on Lord Chaitanya, translated by Sridhar Srinivas Das, 2017. So, the Lord of Vaikuntha, the spiritual world, has incarnated as his devotees. He is miraculously present everywhere, and his incomparable and unsurpassed activities alone occupy my vision. Have no doubts, if you are born as asuras or rakshasas, means as demons, goblins, ghosts, and all the likes, engrossed in sense gratification, there is no way for you to live, and you will certainly be destroyed. That is Tiruvaimoli 5.2.5. In the above verse, Sri Namalva describes miraculous events which are beyond comparison, which will destroy the Asuric presence, and as quickly as the Asuras can wreak chaos and destruction in the world, so the Lord can miraculously restore it. In the next verse, he describes the great changes that are about to come. The Supreme Lord, the holder of the Sudarshan disc, means the wheel of fire, has come himself in the form of his devotees to rid the world of the soul-consuming disease, war, hunger, and evil. He is traveling all over the world, singing in joy and dancing. All worldly-minded people, cease your engagement in sense gratification. Go worship him with full consciousness and dedicate your life and soul. That is Tiruvaimoli 5.2.6. The ill effects of the age of Kali, or quarrel, which started 5,000 years ago, have ceased, and a new golden age of Sankirtan, Yagya, or the chanting of the holy names, has begun. The demigods have also joined the movement, and the whole world is flooded with love of Godhead. The devotees of Kadalvanan have entered and occupied every corner of the earth, and are singing the name, fame, and glories of the Lord with great joy and enchantment. Tiruvaimoli 5.2.3. So, the golden avatari, or source of all incarnations of God, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, once manifested his form of Varaha, or Lord Boar, to Murari Gupta, who is an incarnation of Hanuman, affirming that he would again protect the earth and destroy the demons, or asuras. He said in Chaitanya Bhagavat Madhya Khanda chapter 3, I accepted the incarnation of Varaha, or Lord Boar, to lift the material world, meaning the whole greater Earth disk of 4 billion miles out of the waters of nations. Know me to be the ultimate goal of the Vedas. The purpose of my present incarnation is to propagate the congregational chanting of the holy names of Krishna. In this incarnation, as in other incarnations, I will annihilate the miscreants for the protection and pleasure of my devotees. So the Lord is impartial, but because the devotees hold him dear and they are righteous, therefore he protects them. And similarly, Lord Chaitanya's mission is the same as Lord Krishna's, which he states in Bhagavad Gita 4.7 to 8. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in religious practice, O descendant of Bharat, and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I descend myself in order to deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion. I advent myself millennium after millennium. As explained here, the real purpose of an incarnation of Godhead is to protect and maintain the devotees, and that is done by killing the atheists. He does not say, like so many false incarnations, that atheists and devotees are on the same platform and all is the same. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is Lord Sri Krishna, the real personality of Godhead, does not advocate such a foolish idea. Atheists are punishable because they are going against the laws of love and they are causing a lot of suffering, whereas the devotees are to be protected because they are rightly situated and they are bringing benefit to all. To maintain this principle is the mission of all avatars and incarnations. Of course, Lord Chaitanya is described as the most merciful incarnation of Godhead, and his desire to engage all the living entities in his blissful Sankirtan movement is prevalent. Srila Prabhupada Bhaktivedanta Swami also explained that whenever an incarnation of Godhead appears, the mission is to save the pious and annihilate the miscreants. Since the Supreme Godhead is now manifested in the form of Namavatar, or the holy name, specifically the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, we can live assured in the faith that the present Asuric demonic regime will be eventually destroyed. There is no question that it may continue to exist. Nama Avatar, the incarnation of the holy name, will re-establish religiosity by first removing the demons from positions of power and then placing religious leaders in all aspects of society. Once Dharma, or true religion, is restored, nature will function as normal, and the vision of Sri Namava will manifest. The Supreme Lord, the holder of the fire disk Sudarshana, has come himself in the form of his devotees, who are a manifestation of the holy name, to rid the world of the soul-consuming disease, war, hunger, and evil. The ill effects of Kali Yuga have ceased, and now a new golden age of the chanting of the holy names has begun. Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you for your time. May the Om Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.